Now look at this. I've been holding this bird outside the window, and he won't fly away. I'll have my hand open, him outside the window, and he won't fly away. So what I did is I put him next to my window, and notice how that window's open. You see that bird right there? He will not fly away. He's just sitting there looking out my window. I mean, if this doesn't belong in some kind of movie or a book or something, I don't know. But little birdie's chilling. He likes my room. I don't know, I think it's pretty awesome.